I got a new face. So this video is all about hand tracking. You ever wished you could become a VTuber? Do you have an iPhone but don't want to spend money on fancy and expensive equipment? Then Hyper Online is right for you. This new avatar live streaming service allows users to track their face and hand movements, create immersive experiences, and broadcast them in-app or on other social media platforms like Twitch or YouTube. If you have an iPhone with Face ID, then this app is a great way to get started on your VTuber journey. You've probably heard of them by now, or else you wouldn't have clicked onto this video. VTubers are people or characters that stream themselves on social media platforms with the help of avatars and hand tracking software. It is an extremely popular industry and it's growing rapidly. Rather than recording their real selves, VTubers prefer to use avatars so that they can remain completely anonymous and separate their personal identity from their online persona. Think kind of like an anonymous YouTube channel. Some VTubers choose to use hand tracking software so they can give a more intimate performance for their audience by tracking the movement of their hands. There are many different types of VTubers. There's 2D VTubers and 3D VTubers, the list can go on and on. And VTubers can be used for a variety of different things like marketing, entertainment, gaming, and more. Hand tracking is relatively new technology. It uses the orientation and position of your hands in real time in software and it translates it to your avatar. It usually does this without the use of mechanical devices or anything like that. It can use a camera or other sensor that captures the data above and below your hands, and as well as the movement and orientation, and it's just a lot of tech stuff, K's. The data is sent to software that interprets it into a visual representation, and this is what makes your avatar move. With the development of motion capture technology, hand tracking in real time is more and more widely used. People can control their VR avatars with hand gestures and interact with each other in a virtual space. Hyper Online has a hand tracking feature that allows the creator to control their avatar using their hands and a simple mobile device. You don't really need a mouse or a keyboard or any type of headset. This provides the creator with a very expressive way to interact with the audience during live stream. The hand tracking feature is in beta, but it does work pretty well. It doesn't really require any other setup other than your iPhone. And it makes it easy for creators who are just starting out to jump in and start making your own content. The software gives the user a lot of freedom when it comes to creating avatars, and it can look very realistic. The hand tracking technology used in Hyper can bring your hands to life. It gives us a glimpse of how realistic hand tracking can be when you remove one of its biggest obstacles, which is bulky hardware. So to start hand tracking, first get the app. You can search Hyper Online in the App Store. To enable hand tracking, you'll perform these following steps. It's super simple. You can either start a live stream or enter studio mode. Click on the settings button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen beneath your character's face, and then select enable hand tracking. So when you're hand tracking, there's a few tips and tricks I would like to tell you. First of all, set up your phone around eye level. Make sure that you're standing far enough away. A lot of people are like, hey, this isn't working quite right, but that's because you're actually really close to your phone. I recommend setting your phone on a stand relatively far away and have really good lighting. If it's too dim, it won't work. Also, if you're wearing a lot of print or if you blend in with your background, I would recommend rolling up your sleeves and wearing clothing that's not printed. And of course, this feature is still in beta. Hyper will be releasing more frequent updates, so keep your eyes peeled for exciting new features. Hand tracking works the best with great lighting. And also, make sure that both hands are in front of your iPhone camera and not blocking your face or behind your back or anything. We hope you enjoy using the hand tracking feature and can't wait for you to try it out. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to it for more tips and tricks. Join our Discord if you want to make some new VTuber friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye!